Hi guys, in this quick video I'll show you how to upload YouTube banner to your YouTube channel. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. It really helped me out. So now let's get started. So for that, open the YouTube app in your phone. Now click on the profile option. Now select your channel and click the pencil. Now you can easily upload your YouTube banner. I have a random banner, so I'm choosing that. That's two cats, my client's one. You have to do this. And your TV, it will show whole, and the desktop version it show like this, and the all device will show like this. So click on the save option. Wait for a while, you can see your banner. I'm refreshing. Now you can easily see your banner. You can subscribe, brother. So please, you also subscribe.